It is the start of a fresh weekend. Prasanna's family is preparing for a peaceful vacation in the hills.
Prasanna, double-check your backpack. We won't return home once we leave.
Already checked twice, Mom. I'm all set.
Third, let's load everything into the car before the sun gets too hot.
Birds chirp as the family steps outside with bags and excitement.
I'll put the snacks on the back seat.
And keep the water bottles where they're easy to reach.
GPS is set. We have a 3-hour drive ahead.
The car engine hums gently as the family starts their journey.
The weather is perfect today.
Yes, the hills will be even cooler.
Let's play some music.
Soft melodies fill the car as the scenery slowly changes.
Look at that long stretch of trees.
Feels like the weekend has truly begun.
We'll stop at the upcoming fuel station for tea.
The road winds gently as distant hills come into view.
I can already feel the cool breeze.
That's the magic of hill stations.
Stay alert, these curves can be tricky.
The climb begins as the road spirals upward.
Whoa, fog ahead.
It looks beautiful from here.
I'll slow down a bit.
Fog wraps the mountains in a dreamlike haze.
Could we stop at the next viewpoint?
Yes, we should stretch a little.
Alright, the viewpoint is just a minute away.
They pull over at a scenic cliff overlooking valleys below.
This is incredible.
Take a picture of the valley.
I'm one with all of us together.
Camera clicks echo against the vast landscape.
I could sit here all day.
Vacation just started. Plenty more like this coming.
Let's continue before it gets crowded.
They get back into the car, refreshed.
What's our first stop after reaching?
The resort has a garden we can explore.
And we need to check in before lunch.
The road narrows as pine trees tower overhead.
These trees look ancient.
They make the air feel so fresh.
We're almost there. Just 5 more minutes.
The resort sign appears through the trees.
This place looks amazing.
The entrance is so welcoming.
Let's get checked in.
Warm lights and wooden interiors greet them inside.
The room has a balcony.
And look at that mountain view.
We'll rest for a bit before exploring.
The family settles comfortably into the room.
Should we visit the garden now?
Yes, let's go before it gets dark.
Grab your camera too.
They walk into a beautiful garden full of flowers.
The colors are so vibrant.
Nature feels alive here.
I love how peaceful this place is.
Butterflies flutter around blooming bushes.
Look, there's a small pond.
And fish swimming in clear water.
Let's sit by the pond for a while.
Soft breeze rustles nearby trees.
This is better than I imagined.
Weekend getaways are the best.
Tomorrow we'll visit the waterfall trail.
Evening slowly paints the sky orange.
Should we head back to the resort now?
Yes, dinner buffet starts soon.
Let's walk back slowly and enjoy the view.
They stroll back through the serene garden.
The dining hall looks cozy.
The aroma is making me hungry.
Let's find a table.
They serve themselves a warm and hearty meal.
The soup is delicious.
Try the grilled vegetables too.
And don't forget dessert.
Laughter fills the table as they enjoy dinner together.
Should we sit by the bonfire after dinner?
That would be lovely.
Let's head there now.
A warm bonfire crackles in the open courtyard.
The fire feels so warm.
And the sky is full of stars tonight.
A perfect end to the day.
They sit quietly taking in the peaceful night.
I'm getting sleepy now.
Let's head back to our room.
Tomorrow is our trek, so rest well.
The family returns to the room, tired yet happy.
Good night, everyone.
Good night, dear.
Good night.
Morning arrives with soft sunlight.
I'm ready for the trek.
Let's eat breakfast first.
Today is going to be adventurous.
The family sits down for a hearty breakfast.
The trail map looks easy.
We'll take it slow.
Stay together and enjoy the journey.
They start the trekking path through dense greenery.
The air is so refreshing.
I love the sound of the birds.
We're halfway to the waterfall.
The distant sound of rushing water grows louder.
I can see the waterfall.
It's beautiful.
Let's get closer.
Mist from the waterfall cools their faces.
This view is unforgettable.
Let's take some photos.
This is one of the best weekend trips we've had.
They spend time enjoying the waterfall before hiking back.
I'm tired but happy.
Same here.
Let's rest at the resort for a while.
They return to their cozy room.
Should we check out the souvenir shop later?
Yes, I want to get something memorable.
We'll go in the evening.
Time passes peacefully as they relax.
Let's head to the shop now.
Look at these handcrafted items.
Pick whatever you like.
They browse through unique souvenirs.
I'll take this keychain.
I love this handmade candle.
I'll buy a mug with the hill station's name.
They head back to the resort with their purchases.
Should we walk in the garden again?
Yes, the evening breeze will be nice.
Let's take one last stroll before dinner.
The garden feels even more magical at sunset.
This trip was perfect.
We made so many memories.
And we'll make many more.
Stars appear as the day ends beautifully.